Welcome back to my channel. Let's build a simple password strength checker using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First, I'm creating a basic layout and input field where users can type their password. And below that, a bar. And text to show how strong the password is. Now comes the logic. I am selecting the input, the strength bar and the text. Every time the user types, I want to check the password instantly, so I'm using an input event. Now I'm using a simple scoring system here. If the password is longer, it gets the point. If it has uppercase letters, it gets stronger. And numbers make it even better. So basically, more variety means a strong password. Based on the score, I update the UI. Red means weak. Orange means medium. And green means strong. Now I will quickly style this just to keep everything clean and centered. I am using a dark background, simple container and a smooth bar for visual feedback. As you can see, the strength updates in real time. And that's how you can build a simple password strength checker. To improve this, you can also check for special character for better security. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Modern Stack for more videos.